Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, finally. Sorry it's been so long since I last recorded, I haven't had a chance until now. So, yeah. Anyways, just a quick notice before we continue on. I will be updating my skin soon, because recently I've had a haircut and my hair is a bit shorter than last time. So, yeah, be looking forward to that, and maybe even a change of outfit. Okay, so last time we started off with the roof, so it's time to finish it. So here we go. I think I'll go on the outside before it gets dark. Okay, here we go. What's that? Oh, it's a skeleton. Fun. Not ready for fighting just yet. Okay, here we go. Let's put some dirt on to mark the spot. Hope that skeleton doesn't see me up here. Whoops. Where's that skelly going? Oh, that's right, there's a cave entrance over there, which we discovered last time. Okay, so let's put another dirt. We can get rid of that now. And we're nearly finished with the roof. Yay! And I'm going to get the out more. Fix that. And my Xbox. I'll get a new one later. Or after this, rather. Okay. Try not to fall off the roof. And I ran out of paint. Okay. Time to go off the roof anyway. Let's go through here. Ouch. Sorry for the lag there, guys. Oh wait, I had a spare axe, I forgot about that. When you don't play on the world for a while, you tend to forget what you've got. Let me get a few more. Okay. Don't really need to go outside for this part. Okay. But I do need to go outside for this part. get that dirt later. Whoops, wrong. Here we are. Put it over so that the house has a bit of shelter on the outside, and we need more planks. I mean, slabs. Okay, here we go. So we've got more planks in here, which is good. Grab some. Whoops, missed it again. Third time's a charm, as they say. But that's not always true. Oops. Oops. Lost my way there. Here we go, nearly done, guys. Get on the roof of this part. And here. Okay. Can use no more planks for this part. And that there. And check this side. Okay, so go to there, here, here, and there. Okay, whoop, getting sunset. Wait, what is it? Never mind. One there. There. I guess it looks okay. I don't like that part. And it's raining, but that's okay. Time to head inside. Won't go to be just yet. Oh yeah, and before I forget, what would people say if I decided to start up a new series while doing this one of a creative series? So instead of survival, would be in creative, obviously. And you guys could give me building suggestions. So like a school, a library, big school, small school, train station. Keeping in mind I'm not that great at building stuff just yet, so simple things to start off with. Okay, so the dirt back and I'll make another chest. So I'll need to have some more storage. Put that in the hotbar. And I'll put it here. So I don't have any sand yet. So either in this episode or next episode I'll start to look for a beach to get some sand. There we go, and I'll go to sleep. Yeah. Still raining in the morning. Oh, no, there it goes, it stopped. And you can see if these skeletons left some bones and arrows. That would be cool. Or even maybe a bow. Comment down below which is your favourite weapon. Do you prefer the bow? The sword? Or maybe a special material for a weapon? So iron, stone, wood, gold or diamond, or even enchanted. So it would be kind of interesting to see if we get that far. I might go get an orchid to dye my bed. It'd be also interesting to see if we get any slimes in here. What's that? Is that a slime? Nope, never mind. Oops. Okay, let's go get a few orchids. Okay, there's a creeper there. I'm gonna destroy that thing. Creepers are pretty easy, as long as you don't stay too close to them. Here we go. Yes! I don't know what the... Ooh, I don't know what the gunpowder could be used for. Comment down below if you know. I'm sure there are a lot of more experienced players out there. No, what am I saying? Of course there are. But anyways, I'll get those pigs another time. Have a nice day. So at least we'll finish the house. Kind of. I could put some more plants on the outside actually. Yeah. So yeah, if you think that's a good idea to start a creative series, let me know. And if we can get these videos, or even this video, to a certain amount of likes, maybe I'll do it. But anyway, that will have to do for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.